and protect them and encourage them to stand for what they are fighting for. I pray that God will bring them out to join us soon. Heaven is one to speak for them. Yes, Mazi, I listened to this man you called Van Van Van.
Eggman.
The man with egg. So, sometimes people use their hands and bring evil upon themselves. If that man have sense at all, or maybe most of them, anytime you are causing somebody, anytime you are doing a lot of recantation or doing whatever you are doing to somebody and that person keep quiet, he never respond to you. He don't know that it is very dangerous for him.
It's true.
He don't know that it is very, very, very dangerous for him. Sometimes I don't know why people's mind can be so dark. People's mind can be so dark. If I were not in yesterday's program and many other places that people spoke against what the general did, they showed the anger. I never heard any one person say, go and kill him, he should be killed.
Exactly.
Not even one person.
Exactly. I said it here.
Even myself, I made my comment. I said, I'm very, very angry for what he did, and I have right to condemn every of his evil action and wrong action. But I cannot come and say, go and kill him. It is right when somebody do something evil. If I do something that's not right, you condemn it. So you will show your anger and say, what Greg did is evil, is bad. Why must you do a thing like that? That is the right of every human being. Both to your brothers, your sister, your children, your wife, and your colleagues, and any person you are dealing anything with. Condemnation doesn't mean that somebody will say, he will come. That is the problem I have with our people. When somebody do evil, he will not want people to say what you did is not right. If you go and steal, people will talk about it. If you don't want people to talk about any evil you do, then you caution yourself and not make sure before you do something you think. But when you go and do something and people start talking about those things that you did that was very wrong, and you start fighting against it, it makes no sense. It makes no sense. How can people just know
Yeah.
You see? So this man, the only thing that we are telling him is we curse nobody, but those who curse us, God curse them.
That's all.
Any person that curse any Biafran or curse any of the cabinet, curse Orabueze, God will curse that person.
That's all.
Because when we finish here, we lie down and sleep like a baby because we don't carry any evil for anybody.
Yes, sir.
We don't go back to bed and start thinking what I will do to this my brother or how I can kill this my sister. No.
Period.
That is what our people sing as the song. Especially those people who say they know Bible or those who say they know Malala. I don't know where they normally know those Malala and what they normally preach about those gospel there when they will be proclaimed that they are Christians. Only lies and hatred full your everything. Everything you vomit from your stomach is evil. How you will kill your brother, how your brother will die or your sister, and you cause somebody, cause the family, the children that did not know, that did not don't do anything to you, and they think you will go free.
Very bad.
Because you, I pity him and those evil he bring into his family. because he is the one causing himself and his family. No other thing. Yeah. So what we are saying is every Biafrans, every in any level you are, before you do something, you think what that thing will cost. Why are you fighting? Why are we looking for freedom in the first place? Why every day you somebody will not sit down and say, why are we looking for freedom? Is this kind of freedom is what we want? If somebody is not ready for freedom, let that person go and sit down. It's not something that to show up for where people will come and to show how popular or how powerful or how they can speak good English or how they can make a lot of proverb. No. What we are looking is freedom. And any person, when somebody are beating you or trying to do anything, it doesn't have style. Mmadụ onye na-azụ onwe ya chi azụ onwe ya, mmadụ zọdo okwu n'azụ na-achọ igbu unu. Ebe ọ na igbudo n'aka ọ ga-abụ ịfọdụ ya hapụ, you do it. That is what freedom is all about. We are fighting to survive. So, this every people should have ndị mmadụ ga-adị eji ha adụ onwe ha ọdụ ka ka ị ga-asị atụ ya na ha adụ onwe ha ọdụ. Let people think before they come out and talk. Let people think before they bring evil against themselves.
Yes, sir.
Let people think before they become obstruction for what we are doing. Let them stop messing every effort that Mazin Namdekan and Simon Ekpan and Dr. Ngozi and the cabinet are putting on the ground. Let people stop it. If they tell you to stop, you look around and say, why did they tell me to stop? You must not respond in everything. You must not respond. It's a pity.
Very bad.
Sorry, my brother.
Very, very bad.
Thank you. Let me give other people a chance to
Very
talk.
bad. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. And we have who again? Let's hear from Apostle. Apostle, are you there? Apostle, are you there?
Yes.